This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Here are 10 of the stories that we're following this morning. Again, it's July 5th, the day after Independence Day. Happy 4th of July to all of you. Thank you for listening. 10 stories we're following today. First, after a great first half of the year, the stock market points slightly down today. Second, the NASDAQ, notwithstanding today, is up year-to-date 32%. Third, the S&P 500 year-to-date up 16%. Finally, the Dow up nearly 5% year-to-date. Fifth, Tesla continues to be on a roll. Continue not to bet against Elon Musk. It's become a leading auto manufacturer and the absolute leading EV maker. Who would have seen that coming? Its delivery speed estimates for the second quarter, and its stock is up nearly 130% year-to-date. Its stock rose nearly 7% on Monday. So that's the story with Tesla right now. Sixth, pickleball has become incredibly popular. The numbers are astounding. It's grown from 3.5 million players in 2019 to 22 million plus today. The medical costs with pickleball are also astounding. Expected to be 250 to 500 million more medical costs this year. Most of the players are 60 and over. It's almost too easy to play. There's a great article on Yahoo Finance this and how popular it's become and how many people 60 and older are getting injured playing pickleball. Fascinating to watch. Seventh, the one-year Treasury yield has reached 5.41%. The Fed says they're probably going to raise rates a couple more times here to get inflation under control. It's a constant battle to get inflation under control. Well, the federal government continues on deficit spending. The deficit spending leads to inflation. The Fed's bringing rates up to try and fight that. It's really a fascinating thing to watch, this challenge that you've got going on, a great macroeconomic challenge. Eighth, oil. All the discussion of China's economy slowing down and everything else, but oil is getting tough at $72 a barrel. Fascinating to see where that's at. Ninth, Bitcoin at $30,346, still near a 52-week high. That's where that's at. Finally, 10th, cannabis stocks are generally down. One of the indexes we watch closely is down 24% year-to-date. It's been a tough time in the cannabis business. A couple of the quick notes. Great to visit the last few days with a few leaders from McGuire Woods and Becker's Healthcare, Holly Buckley, and Jeff Cockrell at McGuire Woods on 3 thoughts on leadership. Great discussions with them. Finally, Jessica Cole, as well as Nader Sami. Nader Sami is the CEO of Nimble Solutions, fascinating revenue cycle company. Talking to them also about 3 thoughts on leadership. There are 3 thoughts on leadership. A lot of fun to record those podcasts, short podcasts on leadership. People's thoughts on them, a great pleasure to record. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast, and thank you to the wonderful team at Executive Podcast Solutions led by Jeremy Core. Thank you very much.